You don't want that coming down on top of you. Oh, damn! Oh God, no, no! So it is snowing, a little chilly. Ethan's gonna show me some lines. I really have no idea where we're going out here, so it should be good.
Hit it! That's what I'm talking about. Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
It's Christmas time. Let's open up our presents.
Yeah, open it, go for it. Yeah. Parker, what'd you get? So it is Christmas time, and we are going to pack up and head up north to Winter Wonderland to go check out what Canada has to offer and see some snow. Let's get after it. The duo sled. Yeah, let's do that again. That's what dads are good for, pulling up the hill. Tucker, one of the advantages of this thing is that it's super light. So the GT wins our toboggan off for the day.
Yeah.
Oh, race to your hot chocolate. 1, 2, 3, go! It's a gorgeous day, so we are gonna go and hit the river. Let's do it. Oh, that's frozen. Come on. You know you're in Canada when? End of December, last couple laps in 2019 with Joel and Pat. Lots of ice, lots of snow. Let's get after it, this should be sweet. You don't want that coming down on top of you. Oh, damn! Lots of snow. So when paddling in Canada and it is frigid temperatures, you just don't flip. It's just too cold. And today I learned that lesson the hard way. So much snow! We gonna go do it?
Yeah.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
We're here at Mount St. Marie.
Yeah.
Let's go. You're doing so good.
Pizza! Pizza again! Pizza, pizza, pizza!
Yeah. Thumbs up. Kicking off the new year here with Phil, Mont Saint Marie. This is gonna be awesome. Epic day on the slopes, but probably time to go hit the cafe, see what they got inside. Cheers. So we're in DC, first snow of the year. So Ethan is gonna take me kayaking off the falls. Need a paddle. Ethan's got some boats for us, and Maria's gonna be running our shuttle, I think. Awesome. Hate when your skirt's frozen. Should be good. Just give me a couple tries. So it is snowing and a little chilly. Got some super thin pogies here that I got from Danny's Stop actually. And Ethan's gonna show me some lines. I really have no idea where we're going out here, so it should be good. See you, Ethan. I can't believe the guy's just chilling. He's gotta be so cold. A little icy, a little slippery. So you're trying to get over the curler a little bit. A tiny bit. Here we go. Well, we had an awesome trip up north in Canada. Got to hang out with some friends, some family, play in the snow. Even got to hit the Potomac on the way home. But good to be back in Tennessee. We've got some rain, rivers are running. Glad to be home.